U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio is in Saudi Arabia today to meet with his Russian counterpart, Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. The pair will discuss a peace deal on Ukraine, but missing is Ukraine, which has not been invited to these initial talks by the United States. Now, this is an extraordinary event because Russia and America have not been dealing with each other since the invasion of Ukraine by Russia, and now they are toe-to-toe.
Now they're, excuse me, now they're toe-to-toe. And as you said, they have excluded Ukraine or anyone else who has a vested stake in the situation from these talks. Now, while we have Lavrov and Marco Rubio in the room, in reality, you have Trump and Putin talking to each other, getting their points across about how the two of them, want to deal with Ukraine.
Now, the Russians are saying in advance of this meeting that what they are seeking is a normalization of relations with America, with the United States, and dangling the carrot that American oil companies might even be able to invest once again in Russia's energy.
Right, and that speaks directly to Donald Trump and his economic agenda, which is to extract or get any economic benefit, any commodities at a good price and get it to America. But yes, this is the big thing: is the U.S. and Russia are talking. They haven't talked in 3 years, and it's something, in this game of chess. I hate to be, so flip about it. It's like, who's going to play who? Is it Donald Trump, the quote unquote savvy businessman that's going to try to get one over Putin? Or is it going to be Putin, the Chekist, who's playing America and Trump for whatever he wants in Ukraine?
Now, we saw details of a memo, a draft. It's more than a memo. It's a detailed document which suggests that Trump is looking for reparations, not from Russia for the destruction of Ukraine, but from Ukraine for the payment of all the arms that the United States, under the Biden administration, supplied to Ukraine. We're talking about $500 billion he's looking for as a payback from Ukraine, but he's looking for it in terms of their mineral wealth, their rare earths, and much more.
Right. He's looking for that, and he's looking for basically a 50% stake in all recurring receivables from the sale of Ukrainian rare earth minerals and other minerals. He's looking for a 50% stake in all future plans, and he wants first refusal on any plan to sell anything. Now, that $500 billion, if you think that America has spent $300 billion in the war in Ukraine, or given $300 billion to Ukraine to fight Russia, that's $200 billion. And the terms of the deal are very severe. They're more severe than what was offered to Germany after World War I. It was more severe that was offered to Germany and Japan after World War II. So it's Ukraine has rejected it outright, but we'll see if this is basically his hello price in a negotiation, or how hard he's going to push for this.
Is this game playing? Because he wants, obviously, some sort of access to the mineral wealth of Ukraine, which is in land, most of it, land currently occupied by Russia. So is what's going on in Saudi really a carve-up between the United States and Russia of Ukraine's resources?
Well, it would seem so. Resources and also territory. We've heard rumors that it's like, all right, we'll freeze the borders now as they are. Russia has this territory they're holding. Ukraine has this. That's it. Well, that's a significant loss of Ukrainian territory, or giving it up, to Russia. So are they carving it up? It would appear so. It would appear very much so that they're like, okay, we want peace, but it's going to be peace. You're going to get yours. We're going to get ours, and Ukrainians are going to lose.